What is up, queens and kings? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. Here at Queen Budgets, we are tackling all things financial, from budgeting by paycheck, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, debt payoff, while currently on a low income, y'all heard me, low income, and a single mom of three. So if that sounds like something that would interest you, I invite you to hit the subscribe button below. Give this video a great big like, What's up, queens and kings? I know you guys are so sick and tired of me with my ran through quick budget with me and cash stuffing videos, but I am trying to do the best that I can, y'all. We did have to pay Xfinity Mobile, which is due on 11/26, and that is me and my children's cell phone bills. That's $130, and that leaves us with a balance of $670. Then I had to pay Pat's advocacy. That's due on the 25th of the month, and so that left us with $630. And then I have to pay Apple Music, which is due 11/25, and that leaves us with $620. Let's just count it really quickly to make sure we got the right amount. I believe so. So 100, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 520, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 600, 610, 615, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 620 as we see it, okay? But I hope I got everything together, y'all. I'm getting ready to go out. Once I finish this cash stuffing, I'm getting ready to go out and try to see what Black Friday deals they have. So going into my cash envelopes, we're gonna stuff my variable expenses. We literally have no leftover. I do have $40 left in Queen's envelope, which I'm going to take this out. And I actually did someone's hair. I did a partial sew-in weave. Since this is rollover, I'm going to actually stuff this into my binder, but I'll do that in just a second. So we'll put this to the side. Okay, so starting out with my variable expenses. What I mean by variable expenses are things that may fluctuate, but there are things that you know you're always going to have to deal with. Gas for your car, money for your kids, household stuff, fast food, spending, different things, eating out, different stuff like that. So starting out with myself, I always give myself $20, but you know what? $20 hasn't really been doing it for me. So I always tend to roll over into other areas. So I'm going to give myself $40. Is it 40? Yes. So that's going to be two 20s. I'm going to give myself $40 because it hasn't been kicking it, you know what I'm saying? Next is Kenzie F. Baby. Please say the baby. That's my Zora. That's my Zora. So she's actually getting $10 this time instead of her 20. Sis ain't go above and beyond this time, you know what I'm saying? She did a little something, but she wasn't hitting it out the ballpark. So we're going with $10, baby girl. Also, Trance, my little chocolate drop. Y'all know I just love me some chocolate. Okay, my little chocolate drop. He's getting $10 also. That's a $10 bill. I hope you guys have a very happy Thanksgiving, because this is I'm recording this the day before Thanksgiving. So if you're seeing this after Thanksgiving or on Thanksgiving, I hope that you have a wonderful Thanksgiving with your family. Sometimes the holidays bring up a lot of hard emotions for me, so I'm learning how to be happy during the holidays and not letting anything mess with my energy, and I wish you all the same, So for Gasolina, we decided instead of 100, we're going to do 150, so that's 3 50s, 50, 100, 150. And 150 it's been kind of doing it for us. I think we may have went over a little bit, but it wasn't much. So we'll see how we do with this. Eat out. I decided to put $10 in eat out. I really did not want to put anything in there, but I said just be realistic. You know, you may want a coffee or something, and this is how we're going to keep my buffer intact, because I will be reaching my buffer goals very soon, I think, now that especially that Christmas is coming and going. So for mi casa, for my home, my household items and stuff, I'm going to do $25. So that's a 20 and a 5. $25 for household items, and that can be just anything for my home. It could be cleaning products, it could be furniture, it could be decor, anything that I need that week or whatever for my home. Self-care, we're actually going to do $50, a whopping $50. I know I never do $50 in self-care, but it's time for me to braid my hair again. This time when I did my hair, I did not do it like, you know what I'm saying, where it would last a long time. I did it where it would last, you know what I'm saying? But it's time to do it again. So we're going to take a $50 bill. Chocolate, please. Chocolate, please shut my door, sir. What you want, Kenzie, baby? That's you? Yeah. What you want? I get the Doritos. Girl, get the Doritos and get up out of here. Y'all always messing with me while I'm doing something. I'm trying to staff, girl. So that's self-care. Self-care got $50 because I'm going to be doing my hair. I also am putting $10 into miscellaneous. So that is a $10 bill. My best friend is waiting for me because we about to hit these streets, y'all. And I'm going to be being real careful because I know people be liking to kidnap people and stuff like that during the holidays. I wish somebody would kidnap me there. Hurry up and bring me back because I ain't got time. I'm going to fight till I die. All right? Period. And love, we are doing $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I think for the next 2 weeks, I'm going to challenge myself and put a little bit more in love since it's the holiday season. And I want to bless somebody that's like really less, like that's not as fortunate. I want to bless somebody, and I want to do it like, I don't want to plan it. I just want to do it like, please excuse chocolate, y'all. I want to do it randomly. That's what I mean. Okay, here's my receipt, my receipts envelope. I just wanted to show you guys this. If you are not familiar with Fetch, I do use Fetch. Fetch is an app where you can turn crusty receipts like these, y'all, into beautiful gift cards that we use on everyday things. So make sure you check the description box below for my Fetch rewards code. And if you haven't already, give this video a great big thumbs up because sis be working hard trying to stay consistent, you know what I'm saying? And YouTube like when people be liking, you know what I'm saying? We be liking or whatever. So that is it for our variable expenses, and I feel good about that. So next we are going to move on to our high priority. We are going to be putting $210 into Christmas. Now I did reach my 1,000 mark. I believe we had 1,100 and something, but guys, I did purchase one Christmas item for my oldest child. He wanted a Columbia coat, and they had the Columbia coats on sale at Kohl's, and it was actually $60 off. So I saved $60. So I ended up using my Kohl's charge card because it was, you know, I didn't have the cash on me. It was at home. I charged the money to my Kohl's card, and then I took the money out of the Christmas fund and I paid the Kohl's back already. So we are adding 200. 1, 2. So we're going to add 200, and then we're going to add $10. And let's count and see how much we have. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 950, 1,000, 1,050, 1,100, 1,150, 1,160, 65, 70, 75, 80. Where did these 20s come from? 1180, $1,200, $1,220, and $1,240. So this is $1,240. How did the 20s get mixed up like that? Like, that's so crazy. Something always try and mess me up. You know what I'm saying? So I don't be counting correctly or whatever. It's the universe. You know what I'm saying? So we got $1,220, guys. We've reached our $1,200 goal. I do have a couple of more paychecks and a couple of more incomes before Christmas, so I will continue to add to this so my children will have a little bit more, but I will start spending some of this because today I'm going to try to go out and get some of the main items that I need to get. And yeah, we did that. So emergency fund, we are adding $50 to the emergency fund. I did have to go in my emergency fund. I took the money for my fingerprints out of my emergency fund because I felt like, you know, it's an investment and I'll be getting, you know, more money at the side hustle. So I just went ahead and took it out of emergency fund. I need to buckle down and get serious about this emergency fund. I feel like I was with Christmas. I reached my Christmas goal and it's like, come on, sis, you can reach your $1,000 goal. So now we have 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 240, 250, 260, 265, 270, 271, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have $275. So that's not too far off from where we were initially. Things keep happening. I think I know for 2023, I'm definitely going to incorporate a car maintenance fund, because car maintenance is really what keeps hitting my emergency fund. And last but definitely not least, because we creeping up on it, baby, we got to pay them tickets and fees. Sis ain't got no more tickets, y'all, since I had got that one out. It was either 1 or 2 after I started saving, but after that I have not gotten any more tickets. Let me knock on wood, you know what I'm saying, because I don't need that. So we're going to add $50 to the tickets. Now we have 50, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 210, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93. So then we have 293, 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Yeah. We doing good, y'all. So as you can tell, that's it. That's all. Thanks, y'all, if you made it all the way to the end of the video. I love you. I appreciate you. Give this video a great big thumbs up. Leave me a comment. And also, what we gotta do, y'all? What we gotta do? We gotta get that money together, baby.